What direction is the furnace filter arrow supposed to be pointing? That's a question I get a lot from customers. And the answer is the arrow should always be pointing towards the system. So you've got the return duct and you've got a supply. The supply is always above the furnace or below the furnace, and the return is usually going into the side somewhere. And the arrow should always be pointing towards the system, because if you'll notice, the return air, which is the unconditioned air, is going to be traveling through the system and up. You could possibly have a system where the air supply is coming through the top and then going into the ground, but if you're in a basement, that's not rarely the case. And in that case, probably the filter is going to be above the system, and then the arrow would be pointing towards the floor. That's it. Thank you.